Low voltage transformers power the outdoor lighting systems efficiently and safely. For homeowners looking to bring their gardens to life at night without the high energy costs, these transformers are perfect. They ensure that your outdoor lights have a consistent power source and protect them from electrical surges, extending the lifespan of your lighting investment. But the only problem you'll face while purchasing outdoor low-voltage transformers is which one to pick. There are too many manufacturers in the market. My today's video is about top 5 best outdoor low-voltage transformers that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Dunwill's Outdoor Low Voltage Transformer. Dunwill specializes in offering a variety of products across different categories, including consumer electronics, home improvement, and outdoor equipment. One of their products is a low-voltage transformer suitable for various applications like powering garden lights, in-ground lights, and spotlights. This transformer is equipped with a built-in dusk-to-dawn sensor, automatically turning on the connected lights at dusk and turning them off at dawn. Its straightforward operation and easy installation make it user-friendly. Made from high-quality materials, this low-voltage transformer is resistant to corrosion and harsh weather conditions, ensuring durability. Dunwill's prioritizes professionalism in the design of this product, aligning with its commitment to delivering top-quality solutions for diverse needs. Now our second product is Goodsman Outdoor Low Voltage Transformer. Goodsman is known for giving good value for your money, whether you're buying a spotlight or a hammer drill. They also make things like transformers for your lights at home. One of their products, the Goodsman Low Voltage Transformer, is like a strong helper for your lights. It can automatically control when your lights turn on and off without you having to do it. This helper has a built-in clock and timer, so you can tell it when to make the lights go off or choose from a list of times. It even has special sensors that know when it's dark or bright outside and can be changed easily if they stop working. The metal helper changes the strong electricity from your home to a lower, safer kind for your lights, and it starts working once you set it up a little. It's also safe because it won't get too hot or break if there's too much electricity. There's a cover on the front to keep it safe from water and sun. Goodsman promises it will work well for a year, and they'll fix it if something goes wrong. Our third product is NSI TP Outdoor Low Voltage Transformer. NSI develops quality products, and among them is a device known as a transformer, versatile for various applications. Torque TPX 300 stands out as a preferred choice for outdoor usage. Its efficiency lies in its ability to manage substantial power at a reasonable cost. This makes it well suited for routine use, particularly in smaller to medium-sized outdoor spaces. It's an excellent fit for lights requiring 12 volts, such as those in backyards, pools, or for decorative purposes. Even if it's cheaper than other tough transformers, it still makes sure you're safe. If there's a sudden power jump, it turns off on its own to keep everything secure. It also has a cover to shield it and something that makes it start again by itself. Setting it up may require some basic tools, with designated holes for secure wall mounting. While it boasts strength and durability, there's no assurance of repairs in case of issues. Now number 4, Venus Manufacturing Low Voltage Transformer. Make your garden lights better with the Venus Manufacturing Outdoor Low Voltage Transformer. It's like a helpful tool for all your outdoor lights. This tool is made to work with different kinds of lights in your garden, so they all fit together. It can do different things, like turning on and off by itself, following a schedule, or figuring out when it's dark or sunny. And it has a safety feature to stop it from getting too much power and breaking. This means your garden lights will always be safe and work well without you worrying too much. It's designed to be safe and easy to use. This tool has special features like turning on and off in different ways. It's made to fit easily with the lights in your garden. So, you don't have to worry about it being too hard to set up. Your garden will look great without any trouble. And our last choice is Malibu SE Outdoor Low Voltage Transformer. Illuminate your outdoor area with the Malibu 120 watt Power Pack by Malibu SE. This nifty device adds magic to your garden lights, offering various settings like turning them on, off, or setting a timer for their duration. It's your go-to solution for personalized outdoor lighting. This smart gadget even knows when it's day or night, thanks to a special sensor. Its robust construction ensures durability, allowing it to withstand challenging weather conditions. Your lights will keep shining bright, no matter the outdoor elements. With additional protection against excessive power, this gadget promises a long lifespan. Transform your outdoor space effortlessly with this user-friendly and sturdy device. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.